Welcome to today's video of Math Strategies Made Simple with Mrs. Braun. Today we're going to look at one strategy that you can use to help you solve word problems. It's called the QTIPS strategy, and what it is just a way to organize your thoughts and pull out the important information so that you can think through the problem clearly. So let's read this first problem together. Mrs. Solomon bought 7 pairs of shoes on Saturday. She bought 2 more pairs on Sunday and 5 pairs on Monday. How many pairs of shoes did she buy on Saturday and Monday? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split up the space that I have here into 4 equal sections. And it's going to be, each one's going to have a specific purpose. In this first section, I've got a Q, and that means the question. What is the problem trying to get me to solve? So I'm looking through this word problem, and I see how many pairs of shoes did she buy on Saturday and Monday. That's what I'm trying to figure out. So I'm just going to jot that down. How many pairs of shoes did she buy on Saturday and Monday? Okay, this is going to help me focus on what I need to do and then go ahead and pull out the important information that goes with it. So, Mrs. Solomon bought 7 pairs of shoes on Saturday. That's some important information that I need. 7 pairs of shoes on Saturday, because it's asking me how many pairs of shoes did she buy on Saturday and Monday. So I'm going to jot down that important information. She bought 7 pairs of shoes on Saturday. Okay? Now I'm going to keep reading. She bought 2 more pairs on Sunday. Now, I'm thinking about this problem, and it doesn't ask me how many pairs of shoes she bought on Sunday. So I don't need that information. That's extra information, so I'm not going to jot it down. And then it says, and 5 pairs on Monday. Oops, that's a little typo there. All right, 5 pairs on Monday. Okay, so I've got the Saturday part checked and the Monday part checked. So now I'm going to bring that information down here to the picture. The P stands for picture, and that's how I'm going to represent the problem. Okay? So, I've got 5 pairs on Monday, 7 pairs on Saturday. How can I represent this? So, I'm going to draw a picture, okay? But you can draw shoes, you can be as fancy as you want, but I'm going to just draw little boxes. So, here's Saturday. She bought 7 pairs of shoes. So, here's her shoe boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then on Monday, she bought 5 more pairs. Loving herself some shoes. Alright. So, since I'm combining, trying to find the total amount that she bought on Saturday and Monday, I can add these numbers together or count them up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write an equation down here. 7 plus 5 equals 12. And I can count that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So now I'm going to come back over here to the solution part. This is where I'm going to write a sentence to answer the question that I had in the very first box. So how many pairs of shoes did she buy on Saturday and Monday? Whenever I write a solution, I want it to mirror the question that I'm trying to answer. So I'm going to rephrase this or restate that question and then put my answer in there. So she bought 12 pairs of shoes on Saturday and Monday. Alright, so this is one strategy that you can use to help organize your information. It's pretty straightforward. Make sure that you understand what you're looking for, and that you have a solution written in a sentence, you're showing your work and thinking about the important information. Okay? So let's look at another example. Lori blew a bubble that lasted 67 seconds. She has 52 pieces of gum in her pocket. Christy blew a bubble that lasted 12 seconds longer than Lori's. How long did Christy's bubble last? Okay, so again, I'm going to set up my QTIPS organizer. Okay, I've got a question. I'm going to think about the important information, and draw a picture and write a solution. So starting with the question, it's asking me how long did Christy's bubble last? How long did Christy's bubble last? Okay, now what do I need to know to be able to solve that problem? So I'm going to go back into this word problem. I'm going to read through it and make sure I understand all the pieces of the information. It says Lori blew a bubble that lasted 67 seconds. Okay? I'm still looking for Christy's bubble, so I don't know if I need that yet. She has 52 pieces of gum in her pocket. I don't know how 52 pieces of gum in her pocket is going to help me figure out how long Christy's bubble lasted. But Christy blew a bubble that lasted 12 seconds longer than Lori's. So I know that Christy's bubble lasted 12 seconds longer than Lori's. So now I do need to know how long Lori's was, because that's going to help me figure out how long Christy's was. So I'm going to go back into the problem and reread and try to find how long Lori's was. And it's in that first sentence. Lori blew a bubble that lasted 67 seconds. All right. Now I don't need to know how many pieces of gum was in her pocket. So I'm going to come down here to the picture and I'm going to draw a representation of what happened in this problem. So I know that Christy's bubble lasted 12 seconds longer than Lori's, and that Lori's lasted 67 seconds. So here's Lori's. This is the time that hers lasted. She had it for a full 67 seconds. But Christy's lasted that much and more. So here's Christy's. So this is Lori's, what originally her time was. But Christy had an additional 12 seconds. Okay? So I can add the 67 plus 12 to find the total time that it was, that Christy's bubble lasted. We're looking at 79 seconds. So now I'm going to go back to the question. I'm going to rephrase it, and I'm going to plug in my answer. So Christy's bubble lasted for 79 seconds. All right, again, this is one example of a way to solve word problems. I'm going to go ahead and do some other videos with different types of word problems, but I just wanted to introduce this strategy to you guys. And then here's one for you to try at home. Mrs. Laura and Mrs. Sanders both have fish. Mrs. Laura has 5 goldfish, 7 zebrafish, 4 tigerfish. Mrs. Sanders has 6 goldfish and 10 angelfish. How many zebrafish and goldfish are there all together? Hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you again soon.